As this is a very unusual problem, I do want to test one thing out. So, of course, Diagnostic Alt 7 would be able to see, digitize, and what that would be asking us to do. Let's go ahead and make one small change, see if it does in fact impact the way that this system works. So, for instance, we go to Config, we go to Ports and Pins, Input Signals, and what we're going to do is first off, turn this off. Alright, our Z negative, we're going to turn that off. Next up, we are going to remove the active, well, let's first test it with the Z-axis negative off. And then secondly, we're going to keep the probe enabled, but disable the active low, and see if that in turn causes the breakout board to give us a different signal there. So again, that's just what I want to check. Change that from active low to off there so that we have that. We just want to make sure everything is working correctly. So just try those first. Remove the Z negative here. Z negative, make sure that's disabled. And then we will worry about the probe next and see if by disabling that we see any difference in how that board is responding. The other thing is I'm going to have you check out your serial port pin to make sure like actually in the actual serial cable we're not running into any issues. Again, that serial cable, if there's any sort of cross contact going on, that could be potentially shorting out and causing our issue. I don't know, because again, this is a new territory here, but that would potentially be something that is giving us that intermittency as well as it's recursive. Yeah. Anyway, so we'll apply that, hit OK, and run that from there. So give that a shot, and we'll work from that point.